All right, so today we're talking about a product that's been getting a lot of attention online, and that is Krazy Klean Pro. This is a toilet cleaning device that claims it can keep your toilet clean for up to 10 years without scrubbing, refills, or chemicals. According to the website, it uses something called mineral core, or magnet-based technology, and it's advertised as being 100% safe, chemical-free, and harmless for pets, kids, homes, and septic systems. You're supposed to just drop it into your toilet tank and forget about it while it works in the background, protecting your toilet and saving you time and money. Before we go any further, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, on paper, the idea sounds very appealing. No chemicals, no maintenance, and no scrubbing for an entire decade. Sounds almost too good to be true. The company says this one capsule works continuously for up to 10 years, helping prevent stains, buildup, and toilet rings, while also being eco-friendly and safe for your family. But once you move past the marketing and start looking at how this product actually holds up, some serious concerns begin to show. One of the first big red flags is the so-called chemical-free magnet or mineral core technology. The company uses impressive-sounding terms like hydro-mineral magnet technology, but they never clearly explain how it actually works. There's no real scientific explanation, no diagrams, and no independent studies showing that magnets or mineral cores can prevent stains, limestone, or bacteria buildup inside a toilet. Without solid proof, these claims feel more like marketing language than real science. Another major issue is the 10-year cleaning claim. This is probably the biggest red flag of all. Toilets get dirty because of minerals and water, bacteria, and daily use. Expecting a small device sitting in the tank to stop all of that for 10 years without any scrubbing or refills is highly unrealistic. Even the best traditional cleaners don't make promises anywhere close to that. The price also raises concerns. At around $49 for a single toilet device, it's extremely expensive compared to regular toilet cleaners that cost just a few dollars and have proven results. For something that has no clear evidence behind it, that price feels hard to justify. When you look at customer feedback outside the official website, things get even more worrying. Many users report seeing no results at all, even after using the product for weeks or months, exactly as instructed. People say their toilet rings and stains stayed the same, with no visible improvement. Some customers also mention that the device moves around inside the tank, which can cause continuous water flow. This can lead to higher water bills and even potential damage to the toilet's flushing system. There's also a noticeable difference between the reviews shown on the official website and reviews found elsewhere. The website only displays glowing, positive feedback, which looks filtered or controlled. On independent platforms like Amazon, Trustpilot, and Reddit, many reviews are negative, with users saying the product simply doesn't work. Refunds and customer support are another problem area. While the company advertises a money-back guarantee, several buyers say they were ignored, faced long delays, or were asked to jump through unnecessary hoops when trying to get a refund. On top of that, there are complaints about slow or non-existent customer service responses, which is never a good sign. To make things worse, there are cheap knockoff versions of this same type of product sold online for much lower prices, and they receive very similar bad reviews. This suggests that the core idea itself may be flawed, regardless of the brand name. Overall, the product relies heavily on hype and the set-it-and-forget-it fantasy, which is a common tactic used by gimmick products to attract buyers looking for effortless solutions. So, is Krazy Klean Pro legit or a scam? While it may not be an outright scam in the legal sense, the lack of scientific evidence, unrealistic claims, high price, negative real-world reviews, and refund complaints make it a very risky purchase. If you're looking for reliable toilet cleaning, traditional methods may not be exciting, but they're proven, affordable, and far more trustworthy.